Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 2161, partition array according to given pivot. LeetCode problem number 2161, partition array according to given pivot. You are given a zero-indexed integer array nums and an integer pivot. Rearrange nums such that the following conditions are satisfied. Asterisk every element less than pivot appears before every element greater than pivot. Asterisk every element equal to pivot appears in between the elements less than and greater than pivot. Asterisk the relative order of the elements less than pivot and the elements greater than pivot is maintained. For example, given nums equals 9, 12, 5, 10, 14, 3, 10, pivot equals 10, the expected output is 9, 5, 3, 10, 10, 12, 14. The brute force approach would be to sort the array first and then rearrange it according to the given conditions. However, this would not maintain the relative order of the elements less than and greater than pivot. Another approach would be to use a custom sorting algorithm that takes into account the given conditions, but this would be complex and inefficient. The complexity here is O(n squared). The optimal approach is to use a two-pointer technique. We can maintain three lists, one for elements less than the pivot, one for elements equal to the pivot, and one for elements greater than the pivot. We iterate through the array and append each element to the corresponding list. Finally, we concatenate the three lists to get the rearranged array. This approach maintains the relative order of the elements less than and greater than pivot. The complexity here is O(n). Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.